Today, we will be discussing the sea otter. These small furry aquatic mammals are a keystone species, meaning they play an essential role in maintaining balance in the ecosystem. They feed on sea urchins, helping keep the kelp forest healthy, which is home to many other organisms. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and dive up to 18 meters to pry sea urchins off the seabed. The sea otters break open the urchins against rocks to get to the protein. Sea otters eat about a quarter of their body weight. Why so much, you may ask? Sea otters do not have blubber like other aquatic mammals. They have the thickest fur of any mammal, but even this is not enough to keep them warm. So they eat an enormous amount of food to maintain an average body temperature of 100 degrees Fahrenheit. There are two types of sea otters, the northern and southern sea otters. Southern sea otters inhabit the coast of California, while the northern sea otters live near Alaska and Russia. Southern sea otters are much smaller than northern sea otters and prefer to eat clams and sea urchins over fish. With their big eyes and tiny paws, it is no wonder many people find the sea otter utterly adorable. But there are a few things that people might not know about the furry little creature's behavior. There's a dark side to the sea otter, and many of you will be shocked to know that sea otters have a reputation for forced copulation, kidnapping, and necrophilia. Male sea otters are known for their aggressive mating tactics. They will bite a female's face and force her to mate with them. Here you see a male sea otter trying to mate. The female struggles against him and he bites her face to try to maintain control. Many times, the female otter drowns from the male's forceful mating. It is estimated that 4% of female sea otters die from injuries. Even after the female sea otter has died, the male may attempt to mate with her. As for kidnapping, male sea otters steal pups away from their mothers in exchange for food. This hostage behavior is fairly common in sea otters. In this aerial view, you can see a male otter trying to steal away the mother's pup. He bites the pup's face to pull it away. The mother tries to protect the pup but must struggle against the male and keeping hold of her baby. I hope you've learned something new about this adorable but also violent creature. Sea otters are an important part of the ecosystem, and there's a lot more to learn about them.